What's going on, beautiful people? So today's project, we're going to be taking these REDWINGS and completely transforming them into a one-of-a-kind. We're going to be stripping these right down to the bare bones, rebuilding up with some new materials, so let's get to it. All the stitches are broken, so this should just peel off in one nice piece. There we go. Alright, so first look on the inside. Everything looks pretty structurally sound. Don't really seem to have that issue with the footbed. Our well is in complete good condition, all sound and secure. So we're just going to strip off the rest of the stuff, take out some stitches, get rid of that cork, and then we'll get it prepared for the new soles. Let's go, guys. So you might notice there's no shank in these boots. That's because of the wedge unit that was on it. Don't really need a shank, but because we're changing it from a wedge to more of a heel block type, we're going to be popping in a shank there just to secure this area a little bit better. I'm going to use our Ranger here, and we're just going to trim the excess leather off of this sole. So this is the Vibram Honey Montagna sole. Absolutely beautiful. Really does these boots justice. Makes them look super, super sick. Oh, loving this. So as always guys, thank you so much for taking that little bit of time out of your day to spend it here with me. I really appreciate each and every one of you just dropping by, hitting the good vibes, the likes, the comments. I appreciate it all. You guys are legends, each and every one of you. Mad respect for you. So my name's Cobbler G, I'm doing new videos all the time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, drop me a like, hit me a comment up below, let me know what you think about the finished result. Alright guys, Happy New Year, and as always, we'll see you next week. Peace out.